let's learn how to play our A minor chord. If you already know how to play an E, then all you need to do is take all of these fingers and move them down one string. From the third string to the second string, and then from the fifth and fourth string down to the fourth and third string. So, your second finger goes on the first fret on the second string. Your third finger goes on the second fret on the fourth string, and then the fourth finger on the second fret on the third string. Alright, let's take our fingers off and put them on again. On the second string of the first fret, your second finger, not the first. On the second fret, fourth string, your third finger, and on the second fret, third string, your fourth finger. Excellent.